Good morning, everyone. This is Maya from my side. I'll be presenting a seminar based on the best first search algorithm and its application in Zen artificial intelligence. This topic is very important in AI because search algorithms form the backbone of the solving problems and decision making in intelligence system. So, actually, what do you mean by an AI intelligence? In a AI intelligence, search algorithms are used to explore different possibilities to search go. Among these algorithms, best first search is informed search technique, which means it uses some prior knowledge called the heuristic to make smarter decision about which path to explore next. Essentially, it focuses on the most promising path first rather than searching randomly. So let me say what's the definition for the first best search algorithm. Is a search strategy where we always expand the nodes that looks closest to the goal based on an evaluation function usually called the f of n. It is called the best first because it always tries to pick the best node available to each step, making it more efficient than uniform searches like BFS or DFS. This is the definition for the best first search algorithm. So, what will be its working? So, let me explain what's this working process. We start with an initial node and put it in the priority queue. The node with the lowest heuristic value, meaning the node that seems closest to the goal, is selected first. Then this node is expanded to generate its successor, which are the added to the queue. At last, we repeat this step for the process until we reach the goal node or run out of the nodes. So, which is actually written as a f of n, which is equal to h of n. H of n means a heuristic value and is estimated and this value is estimated as a goal. Let me tell an example for this. We are finding the shortest route between two cities. The algorithm uses the straight line distance as a heuristic to decide which city to travel to next. It always chooses the city that appears closest to the destinations and moves step by step towards the goal. This way, it avoids wasting time exploring paths that are unlikely to lead to the destination. This is a small, shortest example for the best first search algorithm. So, there are also different types for this, and the main types are the greedy best first search and a search algorithm. So, actually, what do you mean by a greedy best first search algorithm? It is only uses the heuristic function, which means the h of n, to select the next node. It's fast, but may not always give the optimal solution. But in the case of the search algorithm, it combines the actual cost from the node, that is a g of n, with the heuristic giving, which means the giving the equation f of n, which is equal to g of n plus h of n. AI is both efficient and guarantees that the optimal path if the heuristic is accurate. Now let's discuss what all the applications are in AI, which like a path finding and navigation for tracking the GPS system and the robotics. Game playing. Everyone knows what is a game playing, like a chess, tic tacs, etc. There are natural language processing, which is efficient and sentence passing. Next is a planning and scheduling. It is automatically sequences. Next, web crawling, fetching the most relevant pages for search in search engines. So, these are the applications in the best first search algorithm, which is widely used in an AI applications. So, there are a lot many things we have discussed. There may be a advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so what's the advantages for this? It is most efficient than the unified search because it focuses on promising paths. Because maybe it is fixable. That's because of the flexible, as it uses a different heuristic for the different problems, and it helps to reduce the times and competitions by avoiding the unnecessary explorations. If there is an advantage, there might be an disadvantages. It also has some disadvantages. Let me tell you, its efficiency depends heavily on the quality of heuristic. It may require a large amount of memory for storing a nodes in a queue. and there are sometimes it may fail to find the optimal path if it is heuristics poor. When it poor, the value may be discontinued. The values will be getting an error while the whether f of n is equal to g of n plus the h of n. So let me conclude this. The best search algorithm is powerful and widely used informed search method in AI. It also helps AI system to make intelligent decisions efficiently, especially in area like pathfinding, gaming, planning, and problem solving. It also serves as a foundation for the advantageous algorithm and also combine the optimal speed. So thank you. Thank you so much.